So in today's video, I'm going to be opening some post. These are 3 parcels, hopefully all containing new Lolita pieces I've either got from Lace Market or eBay in one case. Right, I'm going to start with the top one. I won't show you my address. I don't know which is in each box apart from I know the eBay one, because the 2 Lace Market ones came from America and I had to pay a customs charge on both of them, and the one from eBay came from Belgium. I'll just take a moment to appreciate the fact that I cannot cut into the box with these scissors very well. Whoever taped this, you did really, really well. This tape is thick. Right, keeping going. I don't want to like cut into the dress because I have no idea how near the top it is. Oh, we have plastic. We have plastic. Okay, American shipping tape is strong. We have a pink cube that has retained its shape. Wow. Actually, I realised I lied. Only one dress is from Lace Market. We are opening this bag. It's an AP bag. Cute. And it's one I do not have. I love buying stuff secondhand when people send it in brown bags. Oh, yay! So this was a ultimate insert shop recently because I bought this dress. I dropped the waist ties. It does come with waist ties. I bought this dress 5 years ago and for some reason decided to sell it. We have the hair bow. This is a really not very well known print by AP, and it is genuinely just called Original Print. It's a 2010 Lucky Pack, and I mean everyone slept on this, honestly. It's fully shirred, it's polka dots, and it's French themed. Ooh, this one actually feels a lot nicer than my previous one. Do not know what I did to my previous one. I say I did. It wasn't as nice when it arrived, I don't think. So the print's got like macarons, poodles, bows, cupcakes, chairs, Eiffel Towers. There's a Lolita walking her poodle. And it's just really cute. And yeah, once again, it's fully shirred. And I do have the waist ties and the hair bow. I'm just gonna like double bow. We'll just have 2 bows. That could be a cute look, you know, if you had the right level of everything else going on. That could be cute. I'm just gonna pop this one out of the way. Okay, second box time. I'm hoping the tape on this one's a bit easier to get through. So this one's actually the one from Facebook. That one was the one from Lace Market, which means we've got the Facebook and the eBay left. The eBay purchase was one I'd wanted for quite a while, but when I saw it was from within the EU, I and like not too expensive, I had to jump on it. So my issue is if I ever buy it from Japan or America, I will probably be charged customs, and that makes like finding cheap brand deals really hella expensive. Ooh, we've got some tissue. I love seeing how different people wrap stuff. So this is a nice little tissue one. Oh, they cut out a little heart. Is it a little heart? A lot of sellers as well, especially on like Lace Market, are quite reluctant to ship to the EU. Oh, and they put some stickers and a note. Some stickers and a note. I'll show the stickers. There's an Agretzico one. There's these really cute little French fries. There's banana. And there's a Tuxedo Sam burger. I'm going to pop these with my laptop. Let's see, the note has a little bird. Oh, it's on really cute paper too. It's on Pom Pom Pudding! Sorry for shipping so late, being a bit sick. No worries. I hope this JSK brings you lots of joy. I hope you like the star on headbow. Not contagious disease, autoimmune disease. Oh, I love you. She's also put her Instagram on, but look, the note paper is so cute. I love getting little notes, but I have to admit I never send them myself. I'm just gonna... Ooh, she's soft. Am I still wearing... no, one bow. So this is the bow for this one, which is exciting. I mostly got this JSK because it reminds me of some AP prints that I just do not fit. Whereas I will fit this. Here we go. I do not actually know the name. It's from a Taobao brand, I believe. It's really nice and soft. I do not own many Taobao pieces. We have some full... Ooh! We really do have some full back shirring. That's pleasant. It's got nice, quite wide straps. There's a crown on the front. It's got tartan. We've got crowns. We've got medals. Yeah, I'm very here for this. It's got black waist ties. I think in a pinch I could wear this with this. No. It's definitely it's gonna be fun to coordinate. It's got purple in it, which is a tartan. I'm not sure which tartan this is. May have to research. But yeah, that one, it says on it, Song of Honor and Glory. Maybe that's the print, the Song of Glory? Has a lot of Song of Glory, so maybe it's Song of Glory. And it's memoir? Memoir? It literally just says, like, it says memo heart IT, memo it. Memoir? I do not know. I will find out. And now on to the last one. This one, as I said, is from eBay. So I actually know exactly what this one is, of course, because I knew I was waiting on all three of these. But yeah, this one I got on eBay. This one was a Meta JSK. I love me some Meta. And I wanted this for a while. Couldn't justify it when I saw it before. But it came up just at the right time. I've heard about 6 different names for this. But I think it's called like Lace Up Wardrobe or Dress. It's like what Lace Up Wardrobe or like Dress Up Princess. Here we go, everything fell out. I will pick up the accessories from the floor in a moment. You know, I thought this was a pink colourway and genuinely, no word of a lie, it is hella lavender in person. It's fine, I have lavender. I was just like, yeah, that'll go with everything I own for Fantastic Dolly. I do not know what's going on there with that. I'll sort that later. The waistboat's having a time, so here's the bodice. There is a waist bow which I just dropped on the floor, and the print is super cute. It's all these like very much French styled mannequins. And the back, it's got full good stretchy back shirring. Yeah, that one's really cute. I genuinely though from the photos I thought it was pink, not lavender. But that's definitely lavender. Although I think I could still, this is my fantastic dolly bow, I'm pretty sure I could still get away with that. Let's just grab the accessories from the floor. This ribbon clip, oh, it's got like a, I'm not sure if this is for your head or for you. It's got alligator clips, so I'm guessing it's head. But it came with that, and then this meta bow, which I'm missing the cabochon from the front, but we're good. This one, I do not think you're meant to do that, but it's got a clip. I look like one of those poodles at Crafts where the owner just like puts a bow on it. But yeah, this has got a two-way clip on the back, so I'm guessing it's like a, maybe not a chest bow, but a middle front waist bow. It's actually kind of padded, which is unusual. So yeah, that was my free JSKs I got in the post. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below, and I'll see you next time.